Another member of a well-known political family will have to face a legal battle to remain a lawyer. This after a human rights group and surviving relatives of alleged victims of extrajudicial killings filed a disbarment case against former President Rodrigo Duterte. Luisa Erispe has the full report.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte's license as a lawyer may possibly be revoked after the kin of the alleged EJK victims, human rights groups, and lawyers filed a disbarment case against him before the Supreme Court. The petitioners argued former President Duterte has been violating the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability, or CPRA, of lawyers since he was seated as the president.
Yung Supreme Court natin naglabas ng bagong canons for professional regulations ng mga abogado, no? At napakahigpit, no? Kami nga naglolokohan kami na parang lagi kang masususpinde dito sa mga acts na binabanggit ng Supreme Court. At itong mga ginawa ni Pangulong Duterte nung siya ay pangulo pa, lahat tayo dito testigo. Diba yung pagbumura, sabi ko nga yung mga late night pagbumura, pag walang magawa, yung mga pambabastos sa mga inosente, sa mga kababaihan, yung pag-amin sa Quadcom na nag-utos siya ng pagpatay. Kami naniniwala na dapat ito ay masubukan, no, dito sa bagong canons ng ating, na nilabas nga ng ating Korte Suprema.
The family of EJK victims also insisted that instead of using the law to protect the people, his command to the police during the war on drugs was a representation of his violations against it.
Bilang mga biktima, malinaw na salungat sa prinsipyo ng karapatang pantao ang kanyang mga ginagawa at ginawa. Ang karapatan ng mga mamayan ang siyang dapat nananaig sa ilalim ng batas. Ang mga salitang binibitawan ni Duterte ay patunay na wala siyang paggalang dito. Sobra na ang mawalang kami ng mga mahal sa buhay dahil sa walang habas na pagpatay ng mismong mga bahagi ng Estado. Hinihimok namin ang Korte Suprema na patunayang hindi higit sa batas kahit pa mga abogado.
The group implied they initiated the filing of the petition upon hearing that Duterte will stand as the legal counsel of his daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment case.
Narinig namin na nagpresenta si Pangulong Duterte na mag-abogado pa sa kanyang anak, no, sa darating na impeachment proceedings at trial. Sa tingin po namin, bawat abogado ay nararapat mabastos sa ganitong klase ng pagpipresenta niya, no, ng kanyang sarili bilang isang abogado, bilang isang prosecutor. Tingin po namin, dinuduraan ni Duterte ang propesyon.
Included in the disbarment case is their prayer for Duterte's suspension of license as a lawyer while the case is still undecided. This is the first disbarment case against the former president, but Duterte's camp did not even flinch and said in their perspective there is no legal basis behind the case. Duterte's legal counsel and former presidential spokesperson, Attorney Salvador Panelo, said Duterte is not even considered as a criminal yet, and that he did not even admit to any of the EJK crimes. They believe the case will not even take a stand on the court. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.